Good morning, friends. This is day 1 of Big Idea 6 for science. So we are going to go ahead and get started. Today we are at a 1 on the scale because it is our first day, and this is just the basis of what we're going to be doing. We're going to be able to identify the 3 categories of rocks: igneous, formed by molten rock; sedimentary, pieces of other rocks and fossilized organisms; and metamorphic, formed from heat and pressure. So we're going to be able to identify the physical properties of common earth-forming minerals, including hardness, color, luster, cleavage, and streak color, and recognize the role of minerals in the formation of rocks. So today's focus, day 1, is going to be I can identify the physical properties of common earth-forming minerals and recognizing the role of minerals in the formation of rocks. For vocabulary, on the next slide, I am going to have this same slide for you. You're going to write these down in your yellow science journal. So go ahead, get out your yellow science journal, and I'm going to read them all to you. Again, on the next slide, you're going to have this again for you to be able to copy it down. Our first word is mineral. It's a naturally occurring substance that is mined or extracted from the ground. Our second word is luster. How the surface of a mineral reflects light, can be shiny, dull, glassy, or waxy. Streak color, the color of a mineral in powder form. Cleavage, the way some minerals break along certain lines. Hardness, the ability of a mineral to resist being scratched. And color, what the color is when it is in solid form. All right, friends, so on the next slide, you're going to copy these down into your science journal.